Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to send an SMS easily whenever there is a new form submission in a Typeform. So let me tell you one thing. While working with Typeform, it was quite difficult for me to manually create and send a thank you SMS to the person who is actually filling the form. And that is why I thought to bring some automation so that whenever there is a new form submission in my Typeform account, a SMS will be automatically sent to the person who is actually filling the form. Here I am using Twilio as my SMS service application. You can use any SMS service application, example SMS Horizon or maybe ClickSend, etc. Moving forward, there is also one issue, and the issue here is both of these applications, that is Typeform and Twilio, do not have any sort of direct integration between them, and that is why I am going to use Pabbly Connect. So with the help of Pabbly Connect, we can actually transfer the data from Typeform to Twilio. And the best part here is we do not require any knowledge of coding. So let me show you this on my screen.
So now I am going to fill a form at Typeform and check if I receive a SMS from Twilio or not. Let me fill in the details. Let's start with your first name. Okay. So my first name is my last name. Okay, my email address. So this is basically my email address. Now, what country do you live in? My country is India. I'm going to select it. Now we have to first select the country code. So my country is India, so my country code will be +91. Now I have to mention my number, my phone number is, and I'm going to submit my form. After submitting my form, let me check if I have received a SMS or not. So yes, I have received a SMS from Twilio and I have all the details that I have actually filled in my account, that is my Typeform account. So the details are related to our name, email address and phone number. So this is basically possible, and now you can also do that very easily. How? Let me show you. For that, first search for pabbly.com in your browser. Search for it. So basically this is the website of pabbly.com. Click on products and click on connect. Now you have to click on sign in. So let me click. So I have already signed into my account. That is why this is the screen that is appearing in front of us. You can also create your own free account in just 2 minutes. Moving forward, just scroll down and click on access now at connect. After that, this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Just click on create workflow because we have to create a new workflow. And here we have to name our workflow. So my workflow name is Typeform to Twilio. I will attach the link of this workflow in the description box as well. So just in case you want to access this workflow, you can directly clone it into your account by signing it for free. Just click on create after that. Okay, so basically this is the trigger window. Now here, as you can see, we have to choose the application. So the first application that we are going to choose is Typeform. Why? Because firstly, we have to integrate our Typeform account to our Pabbly Connect account. So let me write Typeform. Okay, so I'm going to select it. Now here we have to select our trigger event. Now you must be thinking, what is this trigger window, trigger event? So let me tell you. Basically what happens is automation runs on two simple concepts, that is triggers and action. So triggers are when this happens and action is do this. So connecting it with our use case here is whenever there is a new form submitted to our Typeform account, we want to send Twilio SMS to the person filling the form. So here the trigger event for us will be new entry. Now in case you want more trigger events or triggers of your choice, then you can request to our teammates to admin@pabbly.com for the specific trigger that you want. Moving forward, click on connect with Typeform. Again click on connect with Typeform. Okay, I'm going to accept it. So my authorization is successful. Now here we have to fill in more details, that is the details related to form. Let me drag down and show you. So you can see one project or one form has already been selected here. Why? Because there are 3 form in my Typeform account. This one, this one, this one. And that is why it is reflecting here at my Pabbly Connect account, because at this stage my Typeform account is connected with Pabbly Connect. So whatever the data will be present in my Typeform account, it will be shown here. So let me select one form from this. I'm going to select this one, that is MagnetBrainz registration form. Moving forward, you can see the webhook URL over here. Now, what is this webhook URL? Generally, what happens is whenever we select a trigger event and when we connect with Pabbly Connect, we actually copy the webhook URL and then paste it in a triggering software. But in this case, all you have to do is just click on save and send the test request. So when we click on save and send the test request, we will be integrated with this particular form, as you can see. So now moving forward, just click on capture webhook response, and now we are going to fill the form details that we have actually selected here. So move to Typeform account, click at this 3 dots in your form, click on share. Just copy this link and paste it in your browser. Search for it. So basically this is my form. I'm going to fill it and check if it is reflecting in a Pabbly Connect account or not. So let's start with your first name. Now I'm going to fill the form details. Last name, email address, okay, what country do you live in? Selecting the country here. This is my country name, that is India. Okay, I have to submit my phone number details as well. For that I have to select my country code, that is India. Okay, my number is, and I'm going to submit the form. Okay. Moving back to our Pabbly Connect account, let us see if the webhook response has been generated or not. Okay, so as you can see, the API response has been generated and some of the details has been captured by Pabbly Connect. Let us see, this is a form name. The details that we filled in. How about searching for Gary? Yes, Gary is here, the name is here, the last name is here, the email address is here, and the number details that I actually have filled in. So at this stage, we have successfully integrated our Typeform form to our Pabbly Connect account, and we have successfully completed our first step. Moving to the second step, click on this plus button, and here now we are going to connect our Pabbly Connect account to our next application, that is Twilio, and that is why we are going to choose the app Twilio here. So this is here. Now action event. In action event, I'm going to select send SMS message. Click on connect with Twilio. Now here we have to fill in new credential details, and it is asking us to fill in the details for account SID. Now you can actually fill in your account SID and see your account SID after clicking on to your Twilio account. This is the dashboard of Twilio, and you can see account SIDs mentioned over here. Simply copy it. I have copied it. Moving to Pabbly Connect, just paste it here. Again, if you can see this, one more time it is asking us to fill in our account SID details. I'm going to fill it. Now here we have to fill our authorization token. Moving back to our Twilio account. Okay, so this is basically our authorization token. We are going to just simply copy it, move to Pabbly Connect and paste it here. Just save it. Okay, so now you can see the set of blanks that is appearing in front of us, and now let us fill in or map the details. Body of the SMS. Now here we have to make the body of our SMS. Enter the entire SMS message here. You can use /n for new line character. Okay, so if you want to add a new line, then you have to actually write /n and then add the line. Okay, so what is the body of my SMS? I'm gonna write, hey, I'm gonna mention the name. So I'm gonna map the name here. So if you remember the name was Gary. Okay, I'm gonna add a new line. So I'm gonna add /n. So thanks for your form submission. I'm gonna write thanks for submitting a form. Okay, thanks for submitting your form. We appreciate you contacting us. This is the second line that I want. Now I'm gonna add the details actually. So I'm gonna write here your form details. Form details. Now we actually have to map the form details. So let me map it after full stop. /n, the name. I'm going to map the name again. Gary. I'm going to map the surname. That was Monroe. How about searching it? This. I'm going to add a new line. For that, if you remember, we have to write /n. So I'm going to add /n again. And I'm going to write email address. Okay. Email colon. I'm going to map the email. That was this one. I'm going to add a new line again. For that, we have to firstly write /n. Phone number. Okay, I'm going to map the phone number. So my phone number was this. Okay, so I have created the body of the SMS. Now here we have to map the sender's number. So the sender's number, the approved sending number in your Twilio account, example this. So you can get your sender's number from your Twilio account, moving to Twilio account. So this is basically my sender's number. I'm going to copy it, paste it. So here we have to fill in our recipient number. So the recipient number is this for me. Okay, so we can actually map it. So how about copying it and then mapping for it? Okay, this one. So I have completed the second step, and now what I'm going to do is save and send the test request. So you can see the API response has been generated and the data has been captured by Twilio as well from Pabbly Connect. And let us see the details. So this is the number. Let me check the body as well. So we added the body as this. Okay. So let me check if I have received SMS body in this format or not. So yes, I have received the SMS and I can see all the details of the SMS, like I have mentioned the name, the last name, the email address and the number. So in short, what we can see and understand by this integration is, let me show you. We have successfully integrated our two applications, that is Typeform and Twilio. Now, firstly, what we did is we first integrated our Typeform to our Pabbly Connect account and then we integrated our Pabbly Connect account to our Twilio account. Now, what will happen is whenever there's a new form submission to our Typeform account, the SMS will be automatically sent to the person who has filled the form with the help of Pabbly Connect.
Not just these two applications, but we can integrate n number of applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, then you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com, or you can also visit our website, that is www.pabbly.com. Thank you.